Welcome to our kitchen. Today, I'll show you how to make a delicious and spicy Mexican snack using fresh cucumbers. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, take a fresh cucumber and cut it into thick round slices like this. Now, it's time to add some tiny flavor. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon over the cucumber slices. The zesty lemon will enhance the refreshing taste. Next, it's time to add a kick of spice. Grab your favorite hot sauce, like Tapatio Extra Hot, and drizzle it over the cucumber slices. To take the heat up a notch, let's add a crunchy twist. Crush a handful of flaming hot Cheetos into smaller pieces. These spicy chips will give our snack an irresistible texture. Now, it's time for a classic Mexican touch. Grab some thyme, a popular chili lime seasoning, and generously sprinkle it over our cucumber slices. Lastly, we'll add a final burst of tanginess. Grab some lime salt and sprinkle it over our cucumber snack. These will bring out the freshness of the cucumbers even more. And there you have it. Our spicy Mexican cucumber snack is ready to enjoy. The refreshing crunch of the cucumber, the tanginess of the lemon, the spicy kick from the Tapatio and Cheetos, the zesty thyme, and the hint of lime salt. It's a flavor explosion in every bite. You can serve this snack at parties, picnics, or even enjoy it as a quick and healthy snack any time of the day. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for joining me today. Buen provecho. Enjoy your spicy cucumber snack.